I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math. And we have a geometry problem here. We're given this figure, and we want to find the missing area of that region, okay? Now, one thing to note about this problem here, notice we have a point here that's clearly not in the center of our square. We then have congruent lines, right here, line segments. So they all have the same length right there. And each region has a different area. We have 5, 8, and 7. Again, not drawn to scale, but bear with me. From there, we want to find the missing region. Is this enough information to solve this problem? Well, see if you can pause this video and solve it. Well, I think you can pause the video, but can you solve this problem? If you struggle or just want to see how we do it, we're going to dive on in. I'm going to show you a method to solving this problem, okay? All right, first things first is I like to label some points, okay? So let's go label the corners. We have A, B, C, and D here. And then let's keep going the midpoints of each one of these line segments. Let's go E, F, G, and H. Now we have one other point where they all connect here, and it's kind of a middle point, so we'll just call it a P here. We have point P right there in the middle. Now, once we have this, one thing we notice, right? Since these all segments here are congruent to each other, the middle points here are midpoints of each line segments, okay? So I have an idea. Let's draw some more lines. I'm gonna connect point P to point C, and basically point P to the corner of every single corner of the square. Now, one thing to note in solving these types of geometry problems, a lot of students forget that, well, you can add more lines. If we stay within the rules, you can add more things that might help us get our answer. So notice here, I'm drawing some more lines here. Da-da-da. Pretty redundant statement there. All right, but when I draw some lines, if we focus on the new lines that I drew, we have triangles. Let's go, for example, I'm just gonna look here at our triangle DPC. What do we notice about this triangle here? Well, this triangle that we just drew, triangle DPC, right? We have a midpoint on line segment DCH that connects to the top. That's our median of the triangle we found. And what does the median mean? Well, it cuts the area of that triangle directly in half, meaning this area here and this area right here are equivalent. So we don't know what those areas are, but we can give it a label. Let's call these areas A, little a. So the area of triangle DPH is equal to A, which is equal to HPC, okay? I'm gonna repeat this process for all the other bigger triangles. We have triangle CPB, triangle BPA, BPA, and the other one APD. So with that, let's just go around our letters. We have this area and this one, letter B, they're gonna be equal. Then this one and this one, we have C. And then here we'll have, well, D. Okay? So our missing region, remember, it's kind of covering both here, is the sum of A and D. So we want to know what A plus D equals, okay? Well, we're given some information already about the sums of the area in the pink region, okay? So be careful here with lining it up. We know that A plus B is equal to 7. B plus C is equal to 8. C plus D is equal to 5. And D plus A, well, A plus D is what we are looking for, okay? So now we have some equations. Is there a way we can rearrange these equations, all right? Solve something here to get us an A plus a D. And the ones we're looking at here right now are A plus B and a C plus D. Let's add them all together. A plus B plus, excuse me, a C plus D is equal to a 7 plus a 5. The left-hand side, I'm going to rearrange to be A plus D first. A plus D plus B plus C is equal to 7 plus a 5, which gives us a, well, 12. B plus C, our second equation here, we know that B plus C is equal to an 8. So we have A plus D plus 8 equals 12. Subtract an 8 to both sides, and an A plus a D is equal to a 4. 4 is the sum of the region of A plus D, which is the region we're looking for. So we have 4 units squared is our answer for that region right there, the missing region. Did you get 4 units squared? If you did, way to go. If you didn't, I hope you learned something here on how to solve this problem. And if you found a different way to solve this problem, I would love to hear that. Please like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. This helps us make more of these fun math videos for you and for everyone else. So, as always here, thanks for watching.